If you're looking to organize your real estate workflow and manage clients like a pro, today's video is absolutely for you. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to set up and use ClickUp as a powerful real estate CRM. By the end, you'll be able to keep track of leads, listings, and intricate details, all in one easy-to-navigate space. Let's jump right in. First, open up ClickUp and head to your home dashboard. Take a moment to get oriented. This home view is your control center. Along the left side, you'll see your various projects or spaces. For this tutorial, hover your mouse over the project or space where you want your real estate CRM to live. Why here? Because keeping all your real estate tasks and contacts grouped in the right space is going to make future searching and sorting so much easier. It's a bit like choosing the right filing cabinet before you start organizing your paperwork. Now, once you're hovering over the project, you'll notice 3 little dots appear. These are your options menu. Go ahead and click those dots. This menu gives you a bunch of tools, but what we're after is template. Click on Template and you'll see an invitation to browse through ClickUp's collection of pre-designed setups. Templates are a huge time saver. They come with the structure and fields already set up for the tasks you're likely to need, sort of like starting with a blueprint instead of a blank page. In the search box, type real estate. You'll see several template options pop up, each designed with real estate professionals in mind. Scroll through these until you find a real estate CRM template that looks like a good fit. When comparing, think about what your workflow needs. Do you handle mostly buyers, sellers, rental properties, or a mix? Some templates might be more tailored to transaction pipelines, others to customer follow-up lists. If you're not sure, don't worry, these templates are flexible and can be edited later. Once you've picked your preferred template, click Use Template. At this point, it'll ask you to name your CRM workspace. Take a second to give it a name that's specific enough that you'll recognize it instantly, maybe something like 2024 Eastside Sales CRM or Rental Clients Pipeline. A unique name is like labeling your folder on the shelf. It speeds things up when you're busy. Before you finalize, ClickUp gives you a chance to customize. Here, where you can tweak fields or sections, maybe add a special tag for luxury listings or adjust the status options to fit your selling process. Customizing may take a few moments, so don't rush it. If you aren't sure exactly what you need now, you can always come back and edit later. Sometimes just starting with the template and then making adjustments as you use it is the best way to go. Once you're happy with everything, hit Use Template again. Your new real estate CRM is now live in your ClickUp space. At this stage, you're free to rename it for clarity and explore all the sections and drop-downs. Don't be shy to open up each part. Look for sections like leads, viewings, follow-ups, or closed deals. Feel free to edit the template as you see fit. Maybe you want to add custom fields for specific client notes or create an automation to remind you to check in with clients every 7 days. And that's it, you've set up a fully functional real estate CRM in ClickUp, tailored to your business and ready to transform the way you organize your workflow. Remember, any edits you make can evolve as your business grows, so if you don't get it perfect on the first try, that's perfectly normal. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, it really supports the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any specific questions about using ClickUp for real estate or if you want to share your own tips. And if you're into practical tutorials like this, subscribe for more walkthroughs to help grow your business. See you in the next one.